In this video, I will show you how to delete Discord server. So let's jump straight into it. So here we are. As you can see, I've currently got Discord opened. Now to go ahead and delete a server, the first thing you're going to want to do is come over to your server list on the left hand side and click onto the server that you want to delete. Now generally, unless you have admin privileges on a specific server, you do need to be the server owner to delete a server. But what you want to do basically once you're in the server is come up to the top left hand corner and click up here to bring up this drop down menu. On this drop down menu, just come and click on server settings. What you want to do now is come over to this menu on the left hand side, and if you actually scroll all the way down to the bottom, you're going to see an option here to delete server. So what you want to do is give that a click. And then to confirm deletion, all you need to do is enter the server name. So you want to enter the server name exactly as is. So if there's any capital letters or things like that, you just want to enter that into the box here. So you can see in my case, this is called Tech Tutor YT's server. So what I'm going to do is enter that into the box here, and then click the red delete server button. After doing that, as you can see, that's deleted the server straight away. You can see that's disappeared from the server list on the left hand side, and that is how to delete Discord server. So with that being said, I hope this quick tutorial did help you out today, and if this did help you out, I would really appreciate it if you was to consider dropping down below the video, leaving a like, and also subscribing to the channel. With that being said, I just want to take a minute to thank you guys for watching this quick tutorial, and I will see you in the next video.